Hi, it's Anna with WTI.
Isn't this picture gorgeous? It's so nice to finally have a nice picture in our house because I've always had ugly ones because we have kids. But this one by Amazing Abby is made of acrylic, believe it or not, and so it does not break. It is such a nice picture to have, especially if we're serving guests outside, because like I said, it won't break and it looks gorgeous for our guests. It holds 96 ounces, which is quite a bit for a pitcher. And I love that it's acrylic because a glass pitcher with 96 ounces would be super heavy. And this one is still very functional. The handle makes it very easy to pour and ergonomic. It also comes with this really nice spout that you can put on top. So if you have fruit or anything or ice, you don't have to worry about that pouring out into your drinks. And I love the texture it has. It kind of has a little bubbly look to it, whirling around the outside. So it has a little bit of texture to it. But I am beyond thrilled with this. It is so nice to finally be able to have beautiful drinks. It makes making lemonade a little bit more fun just to add a few pieces of fruit, and it really makes it look so much more beautiful. If you need a pitcher, I highly recommend this one.
But that's just my point of view.